I probably don't need to say this, I mean you guys are looking at me, but I'm a pretty acrobatic guy. So, my favorite sex position is the waterfall.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness is right. The waterfall, as this woman already knows, is when you slide into missionary.
Oh my goodness.
And then you cry directly into your partner's eyes. No, that's absurd. No, that's not nobody's favorite sex position. My favorite position for real is little spoon. I love to be little spoon, I really do. But how do you tell a woman that you want to be little spoon? She's like, tell me your kinks. Could you actually put on your clothes and hug me from behind for 9 hours? Tell me what you want to do to me. I want to wear you like a jetpack.